Marble is a luxurious feature on its own. This timeless luxurious home unit at Costa del Sol uses a bookmark pattern marble as a statement piece, and also gives a stunning and gorgeous look in the living space. This home incorporates natural materials, and it's all about paying attention to the texture and patterns in particular. High-end quartz is used for the kitchen countertop, blending in with the sleek and modern look. The highly glossy kitchen cabinets gives an extraordinary dramatic visual appeal. Last but not least, being comfortable in a cozy study space is all about finding balance in comfort and productivity.